All right, it is time for some middle of the week birthdays. And we are beginning in Oswego with Revi Zuelan turning 6. Some great pumpkins there that she's pictured with. Revi, a very happy 6th birthday to you today.
And let's see, we've got Chase Manfield turning 11 this year. Love the picture there. Somebody must be in costume. Chase is in Stark City, Missouri with love from the family.
All right, and we have Madison Helton turning 15. Madison is a freshman at Pittsburgh High School, so if you see her in the halls today, make sure you wish her a very happy 15th birthday.
Wow, I didn't know Madison was already a freshman. Happy birthday. Teresa Singleton turning 51 years old this year. Teresa's celebrating in Joplin with happy birthday wishes coming from your fiance, Nicholas.
Yeah, I knew I recognized her. I know her and her fiance very well. So a very happy birthday to you, Teresa. And our chief photographer, the guy who takes some of the best video you see. He also is our chief drone operator. So any of our Skyview stuff that you see comes from this guy right here, Ty Parks. He and I started a week apart back in 2017 in January. He started a week after I did, and we've had this running thing. Every time Ty and I get paired up, something happens. We could go out to a live shot for something simple like, hey, it's a food fair. And then all of a sudden, the world comes crashing down, and we're the guys that would always go out and do that. So Ty, a very happy birthday, and it's been a pleasure all these years, and here's to many more.
All right. And we've got Braylon Allen turning 6 years old in persons. Happy birthday to Braylon. Catherine Vance turning the big 6-0 with love from the family.
And we've got Steve and Paula Parsons in Columbus celebrating an anniversary today. Steve and Paula, a very happy anniversary to you and a happy birthday to everybody on our list. And we want this list to be considerably longer, and Tanya's going to tell you how you can help out.
That's right. All you have to do is send us your birthdays. Pictures would be helpful if you send them to birthdays@KOAMTV.com or birthdays@KOAMNewsNow.com.
And while you're at our website, why don't you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club? It is free to do, and you get great deals from local businesses. Additionally, you have the opportunity, you'll get a nice birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So go to KOAMNewsNow.com, sign up for that.